Good morning, everybody. Good Sunday morning. I thought it was Saturday today, but it is actually Sunday. So let me know how you guys are feeling in the comments below after you watch the video. Hopefully we can get some action out of the market today. Hopefully this video will help you guys make some money today, because today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Pancakeswap on Trust Wallet to get PEEPO coin. This method that I'm going to show you guys applies to pretty much any poo coin that you want to purchase. So you could get Safe Moon, Bonfire, Ass, Moonstar, Schmegmars, all the same exact way using the method that I'm going to show you guys today. Before we start the video, I just wanted to mention tomorrow I will be releasing a video on a coin that my Discord has voted on. It's looking like it's between Matic, XRP, and VeChain. So tomorrow I will be posting that video. Thank you to all my Discord members. Much appreciated. I love you guys. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright everybody, so here we are on Trust Wallet. There are 3 different ways of going about getting BNB on your Trust Wallet. You'll need the BNB so you can swap to Smart Chain. The first way we can go about getting Smart Chain on our Trust Wallet is to actually just buy the Smart Chain directly on Trust Wallet app. To do this, you just need to go to Smart Chain, then the top right hand corner, press Buy. Once you do this, you would just need to follow the correct steps for the purchase, and then you would have Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet. I currently don't have my wallet set up to purchase directly, so I'm going to be using a different method. The next method I would recommend would be using Binance Global or Binance US to purchase BNB. I also do not currently have verification on Binance US, so I will be using KuCoin. Keep in mind, you can use KuCoin on your web browser as well, but for this video, I'll be showing you how to do it through the KuCoin app. Once in your app, go to Assets in the bottom right corner. If you already have your BNB, go to Main Account, then touch BNB. From here, we need to hit Withdraw. Once we hit Withdraw, go back to your Trust Wallet app and select BNB. Make sure you're selecting the correct BNB. You do not want to send BNB from KuCoin to the Smart Chain address. You will lose your BNB. Make sure it has the yellow background with the white symbol and then hit Receive. From here, you just need to copy the address, and now we can go back to our KuCoin app. Once in the KuCoin app, paste the address in the BNB address bar. You don't need a memo here. Scroll down to the withdrawal amount and hit Max. Once you do this, hit Confirm. Now it'll ask you for 2-factor authentication and a trading password. Give me one moment while I type mine in. I'll be right back, guys. Awesome, so we completed the 2-factor authentication. We've sent our BNB over to Trust Wallet. Refresh the page and note that our BNB is already in there. That was extremely quick. So to use Pancakeswap, we have to get Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is a BEP20 token, whereas BNB is a BEP2 token. They are a 1-to-1 ratio, so we're just going to have to swap it over to Binance Smart Chain to get that PEEPO coin. We'll hit More, go to Swap, and once in Swap, I usually hit Max. I want to swap all my BNB to Binance Smart Chain. Note when you do this, you have to subtract 0.004075 from the total amount to cover the cost of the fee. So I'm just going to transfer 0.2. Awesome. So we're just going to full send here. Note that the fee is $1.36 worth of BNB. It'll show you that network fee, and full send. Awesome. From here, we can go back to the main interface. We're just going to refresh the page here in a second, and we should see our BNB swapped into Smart Chain. Excellent, there we go. Note that if you're using iOS, you're going to need to go to Google, type in how to get Pancakeswap on Trust Wallet iOS to get the dApps tab. Once you do this, we can go ahead and go to dApps. We're going to get that PEEPO now. So once here, scroll down, go to Pancakeswap. now that we're at Pancakeswap, we're going to need to back out. If you don't already have PEEPO coin on your Pancakeswap, go to poocoin.app on your browser and search for PEEPO coin. Once you do that, you can copy the address in the address bar there next to go, and you can also look at the live PEEPO coin chart. It's looking pretty sexy right now. Excellent. So now we're just going to copy the address and send it back over to Trust Wallet. Once here, we can touch the drop down arrow. Oops, we're going to do it underneath the to section. Awesome, select the currency, and we're going to paste that address in the search bar. That'll bring up PEEPO for you. I already have mine in there because I've done it before, but you would paste the address in the bar there and get PEEPO. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit max, but I do not want to trade max BNB for PEEPO. I recommend everyone leave at least $5 to $10 worth of BNB as BNB to deal with the transaction fees whenever you want to sell your PEEPO. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap about 0.24 BNB for PEEPO, and that will give me about 20 million PEEPO. You're going to need to go to settings here. Ooh, wrong link. Settings, and then turn your slippage tolerance up to 11% at least. I had mine set to 13 last night when I was purchasing some, but set it to 11. That's going to increase your slippage tolerance there at the bottom, right above swap. At the bottom, you're going to see the minimum amount received due to slippage. You're going to see your price impact and the liquidity provider fee. If you're okay with all of that information, then we're going to go ahead and touch swap. Alright, once you touch swap, we're going to confirm swap. It'll bring up the total amount of the entire transaction plus the network fee. You can see it there. It's just 54 cents. That's extremely cheap. Hit approve, and then your transaction will be submitted. If you want to, you can view it on the Binance Smart Chain tracker. If not, it should pretty much submit almost immediately. You can go and refresh your main interface, and I now have 100 million PEEPO, 104 million PEEPO. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Alright, guys, so now you have your PEEPO. That's pretty awesome. I would not take Trust Wallet's word for it on what the price is. I would definitely keep track of that on poocoin.app, so you can just watch that chart there. And if you do want to get out of PEEPO, you can always go back to the dApps tab underneath Trust Wallet and go to Pancakeswap. From there, you would just put PEEPO in the from box and BNB in the to box. Personally, I'm actually going to swap my PEEPO for cake because I like cake a lot. Ooh, Akamfi. Give me 1 second. I'll just read that later. Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys why I'm going to do that, because I have a lot of cake currently in the syrup pools on Pancakeswap here. I have 103 cake in the auto cake pool, which is giving me 132% currently APY, which is auto compounding as well. So, you know, that's a pretty good way to get some nice yield there. I also put some cake in the pool that gives me Pokemon as a return as well. Alright guys, well I hope this video was able to help y'all out today. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you'd like to see more. My Twitter is also in the description along with my Discord name. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord, you can hit me up there. All of the information for donation is down in the description as well. It's Sunday guys, so go outside, go to the store, look someone in the eyes and tell them you love them today guys. Let's spread the good vibes. Awesome. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.